Hello viewers, welcome to zeeglobalvision services. Well viewers, before we start our video, I would like to ask you to please like and share our videos with your friends and colleagues, and also subscribe to our channel for future updates on our content. Today we're diving deep into Apple Vision Pro, the innovative display technology embedded within Apple devices. While Apple Vision Pro offers numerous benefits, it's crucial to explore its potential drawbacks. Join us as we uncover 7 key disadvantages of Apple Vision Pro. First up, let's talk about dependency on technology. Research has shown that excessive screen time can have adverse effects on our health, including eye strain and digital fatigue. By relying solely on Apple Vision Pro to alleviate these issues, users may neglect essential habits like taking regular breaks from device usage. Next, let's address potential eye discomfort. While Apple Vision Pro dynamically adjusts display settings to enhance user comfort, frequent changes in brightness and color temperature may cause discomfort or visual disturbances, especially for individuals with sensitive eyes or underlying eye conditions. Moving on to lack of customization options. While Apple Vision Pro offers automated adjustments based on environmental conditions and users' preferences, some users may find the customization options limited. For those with specific visual preferences or requirements, this lack of granularity could be a significant drawback. Now, let's discuss compatibility issues. As a proprietary feature of Apple devices, Apple Vision Pro may not be fully compatible with third-party software or hardware. This limitation could hinder its functionality in certain contexts or environments, posing challenges for users who rely on external devices or applications. On to our fifth point, limited long term studies. While initial research may suggest short term benefits of Apple Vision Pro, the long term effects on eye health remain uncertain. Without comprehensive studies evaluating its safety and efficacy over extended periods, users may be left in the dark about potential risks. Now let's talk about battery consumption. Due to the additional computational resources required for dynamic adjustments, Apple Vision Pro may contribute to increased battery consumption on Apple devices. This could be a concern, particularly for users with older devices or limited battery capacity. Lastly, accessibility concerns. While Apple strives to enhance accessibility features in its products, the automated nature of Apple Vision Pro may pose challenges for users with visual impairments or specific accessibility needs. Customized display settings and compatibility with assistive technologies are crucial considerations in ensuring inclusivity. In conclusion, while Apple Vision Pro offers several benefits, it's essential to acknowledge its potential disadvantages. From fostering dependency on technology to compatibility issues and accessibility concerns, understanding these limitations is crucial for informed decision making. By weighing the pros and cons, users can determine whether Apple Vision Pro aligns with their needs and preferences. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Apple Vision Pro. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more. Until next time, take care and happy exploring.